Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lessons. So today we are going to learn our fourth chapter, that is uses of computer. So our fourth chapter name is what? Uses of computer. We know computer has many uses. You know computer has many uses. And can you tell me what are the uses of a computer? What are the things we can do using a computer? We can listen music from the computer. We can play games on the computer. We can send messages to the through the computer, and also we can draw pictures in the computer, right? There are so many uses. So today in this chapter we are going to learn about what are the uses of computer. What are the uses of computer? So look at the picture in your textbook. Computers can be used for drawing pictures. First use, computer is used for drawing pictures. So first use is what? Draw picture. Draw picture. Draw means D-R-O-W. Draw. What's the spelling of draw? D-R-A-W. Then picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Picture. So what is the first use of a computer? We can draw pictures. Yes, we can draw pictures like we can draw flower, we can draw car, we can draw bicycle, we can draw everything. That means we can draw pictures. So what is the first use? We can draw pictures. Once more, please say what is the use? We can use pictures. So here a teacher and a student, he drew a picture of what? A rabbit. He drew a picture of rabbit and using computer. He drew a picture of rabbit using a computer. So he says that we can draw on a computer and also print our drawing paper. We can draw the picture on a computer and also we can print the data or print the picture on a paper. We can print the picture on a paper. So can you tell me which is the device? Printer. Yes, printer is used to print the picture onto a paper. So can you see that? Did you see it? Yes, there is a boy. He's a smart boy and he draws a picture of what? Look at that picture. Which animal? Rabbit. So what is the first use? We can draw picture on a computer. Then another one. So that's the first use. Draw pictures. Draw pictures. So, second use, we can listen music from the computer. What is the second use? We can listen music from the computer. Then, have you listened any songs using a computer? Yes. So, using the computer, we can listen music. Music means songs. And can you tell me which is the device used to hear sound from the computer? Its name is speaker. What is its name? Its name is speaker. So using speaker, we can listen music on the computer. Right? So what is the second use? Listen music. So what is the second use? Second use, listen. And what is the spelling? L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen means to hear. Simply to hear. Listen. Hear music. What is the spelling of music? M-U-S-I-C. M-U-S-I-C. Music. So first use, draw pictures. Second use, listen music. First use, draw picture. Second use, listen music. What is the first use? Draw pictures. Second use, listen music. That means, so look at this picture. There is a boy and his teacher. He says that we can watch movies and listen music on a computer. What was he saying? We can watch movies and listen to music on computer. So, first use, draw pictures. We can draw many pictures in a computer. Second one, listen music. Third one, we can watch films. Have you seen films? Do you like films? Do you like to watch films? Yes, right? So, we can watch films or movies. We can watch movies. We can watch movies. That means watch. To see. That's a watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch movies. M-O-V-I-E-S. Movies. M-O-V-I-E-S. M-O-V-I-E-S. So, can you tell me what is the first use? Draw pictures. Second use, listen music. Third use, watch movies. Once again, first use, draw pictures. What is the first use? Draw pictures. Second use, listen music. Second use, listen music. Third use, watch movies. Third use, watch movies. And fourth use, we can play games. Fourth use, play games. Yes. So fourth use is play games. Then, do you like to play games? Which is your favorite game? Yes. So the computer is used for. It's also used for playing games. So fourth use is we can play games. So what is the first use? Draw pictures. Second use, listen music. Third use, watch movies. And fourth use, play games. Okay. Then, next is helping in solving sums. Helps in solving sums. That is used before, or we can solving problems. We can solve problems. Here solving sums. Solving sums means we can count, we can add, we can subtract. That means we can solve sums using computer. We can count objects, solve sums. So we can do calculations. That means we can count objects. Count spelling C-O-U-N-T. Count spelling is C-O-U-N-T. Count objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S. Objects. Then solve sum. Next is solve sum. We can solve the calculations. That is solve. S-O-L-V. Solve sums. Then it's also used for sending messages. So before that, there is a girl and she says that we can count objects and solve sums using a computer. And next use is used for sending messages. Next use, sending. Fifth, sending Send, S-E-N-D, send messages. Send messages. Send, we can send messages. That is the sixth use. Then, have you heard about an email? An email is a letter or a message that is sent from one computer to another computer. That is email. So, what is an email? Is a letter or a message sent from one computer to another around anywhere in the world. So, here is the girl says that we can send messages to any part of the world through our computer using email. So, mainly, what are the uses of computer? What are the uses of computer? So, look at here. First, we can draw pictures. So, first, draw. D-R-A-W. Draw pictures. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Yes. So, first one is draw pictures. Second use, listen music. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen music. M-U-S-I-C. Music. Listen music. Third one. What is the third one? Watch movies. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Then movies or films. F-I-L-M-S. Films. Then fourth one. Play games. P-L-A-Y. Play games. G-A-M-E-S. Play games. And fifth one, send messages. S-E-N-D. Send messages. M-E-S-S-A-G-E-S. So, what are the 5 uses of computer? First one, draw pictures. What is the first use? Draw pictures. Second one, listen music. Third one, watch films. Fourth one, play games. And fifth one, send messages. Okay. So, what is the spelling of draw? D. Say with me. D-R-A-W. Draw. D-R-A-W. 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 How it spells? D-R-A-W. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. Then, what's the spelling of pictures? P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. Then, first use is what? Draw pictures. We can draw flowers. Yes, we can draw flowers using computer. Then we can draw the picture of a car. We can draw the picture of a car. Then butterfly. How to draw butterfly? So we can draw flowers, car, butterfly, so many things. So what is the first use? Draw pictures. Then listen music. We can hear music. We can hear music. We can hear sounds. We can hear sounds. Then third one, we can watch movies. We can watch movies. Then the third one is what? We can watch movies. That means we can watch films. And fourth one, we can play games. Fourth one means we can play games. Then fifth one, we can send messages. These are the uses of what? Computer. Then let's do some exercises. Okay. So worksheet time. Mohit wants to draw a first worksheet 1, page number 28. Mohit wants to draw a funny face on the monitor. Can you draw it for him? So Mohit wants to draw a funny face. So let's draw. Okay, Mohit wants to draw a funny face on the monitor. So something like that. Then you have to draw a simple picture, simple smiley. That's all. You have to draw a simple smiley on your textbook, on your screen in textbook, page number 28, and you have to draw here, right? This is the worksheet number 1. Worksheet 1. Okay. Let's do some another one. Worksheet number 2. What do you think Tanisha is doing on her computer? Tick the correct answer. What he is doing? So, what she is doing? She is listening to music. She is listening to music. So, the first option, worksheet number 2. Okay, worksheet number 2. First question, listening to music. Then second one, drawing pictures. Third one, solving sums. Sending messages. Okay. So what is she doing there? Tanisha, what is she doing? She is listening to music. So put a tick mark on this box. Okay. Let's do the third worksheet. Worksheet number 3. Worksheet 3. Okay. So, help Ishi to write the correct answer on the monitor and also color the correct number keys for the sums displayed on the monitor. Help Ishi to write the correct answer on the monitor. Okay. First, let's do some activity and also color the correct number for the sums displayed on the monitor. So here there are some keys or some buttons. So you have to color that number which is displayed on that button. For example, this is the computer. Yes, and the first question, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2, 5. So, 5, and there are some buttons below the computer. Right? So, you have to color the button 5. Have to color the button 5. Your favorite color. You have to color number 5. Right? All of you understood? So first, write the answer given here. So write the answer here and then color the number. Okay. Second question, 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. And then color the number 9. Here we can color with the green. And then here we can color with the red. Red. Okay. Then third question, 3 plus 9. So next question. So you have to color 1 and 2. You have to color number 1 and then number 2. Just color the number 1 with the orange and number 2 yellow. Okay. Then fourth question, 5 plus 9. Fourth question, 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9, what is that? 14. So, color number 1 and then number 4. Brown, we can color brown for number 1 and then pink for number 4. Okay. So this is worksheet number 3. Then next is worksheet number 4. Draw lines to connect the computers so that all the children can share the messages among them. So here worksheet number 4. First India, then next country USA, then next country China, then next Japan. So these are 4 countries. So the question here is draw a lines to connect the computers so that all the children can share messages amongst them. So how can we connect? We can connect India to USA, India to Japan, then India to China. We can connect India to USA, India to Japan and India to China. Then we can connect China to India, also it already connected. Then China to USA and China to Japan. Then Japan to India is already connected. Then last USA to Japan. That means we can send messages to all over the world using email. So this is the chapter number 4. So what are the things we have learned today? At first, very simple chapter. What are the uses of computer? So can you tell me what are the uses? Yes, we can draw pictures using computer. We can draw pictures. First one, we can draw pictures. Second one, we can listen music. Once again, draw pictures. Second one, draw pictures. Second one, what is that? Listen music. Then third one, watch films. Then fourth one, play games. Then fifth one, send messages. Okay. So these are the uses of computer. So our class is over. Then you have to finish the worksheet and study well. We will continue with another chapter. Thank you.